What if you could create content, reply to customers, grow your audience, and make money online without doing everything yourself? Most people are still working manually while smart creators are letting AI do the heavy work for them. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how AI automation works and how beginners are using it to save hours every week and grow faster online. AI automation is not just for tech experts anymore. If you have a phone or laptop, you can build systems that create content automatically, send emails while you sleep, manage your social media, and help you scale your online presence faster. In this tutorial, I'll break everything down step by step using simple tools anyone can start using today. No coding, no complicated setup. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build your first AI automation system from scratch. Let's get started. Today, everything is moving faster online. The people growing fastest are not working harder. They are automating smarter. AI automation allows you to create content faster, manage business tasks automatically, respond to customers instantly, generate income while saving time. In this tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to use AI automation, even if you're starting from zero. First, identify repetitive tasks. Then, choose an AI tool to handle them. Let's get started. AI automation means using artificial intelligence tools to perform tasks automatically without manual effort. Instead of doing tasks repeatedly, AI systems handle them for you. AI writes captions automatically. Emails send themselves. Leads are tracked automatically. Social posts schedule themselves instantly. Think of AI as your digital assistant working 24/7. Let's talk about where AI automation is used in content creation. It helps with script writing, caption generation, video ideas, and thumbnail concepts. This saves time and boosts creativity for your content strategy. In marketing, email sequences are automated messages that guide your audience. Lead nurturing is about building relationships through targeted, valuable content. Master these, and you'll drive real business growth. Let's talk about optimizing business operations. First, customer support chatbots provide instant 24/7 assistance. Next, automated appointment booking eliminates scheduling conflicts. Finally, data tracking. These tools will actionable your business. Business operations are evolving. Customer support chatbots provide instant 24/7 assistance. Data tracking gives real-time insights, helping you make smarter decisions. To accelerate your social media growth, start with auto posting. Next, use analytics insights to track what works, and always do trend research to stay relevant. This strategy will boost your engagement. Let's explore beginner AI automation tools for content creation. First, ChatGPT is perfect for writing, brainstorming ideas, and creating scripts. And for designs, Canva AI makes creating visuals fast and easy. We're diving into workflow automation. Zapier connects your apps automatically, no coding needed, and Make.com builds advanced automation workflows. It's a game changer for scaling your business. Marketing automation is a game changer for entrepreneurs. For automated emails, MailChimp is a fantastic user-friendly option. And for creator funnels, ConvertKit helps you engage and sell and boost your results. Let's talk about social media automation. Tools like Buffer, Metricool, and Later can help. They schedule posts, analyze metrics, and save you time. Automate your social media to grow your business. Step by step, create your first AI automation. Step 1. Choose one task. Start small, like posting content, sending emails, or lead collection. We'll build on this foundation. All right, step 2, pick your tools. For example, I use ChatGPT for content, Canva for design, and a scheduling tool for bookings. This combo has been a game changer for my workflow. Let's create a social media workflow. First, generate post ideas with AI. Second, create the design automatically, then schedule posts for the week. Now content runs without daily stress. Let's build our workflow. First, generate post ideas with AI. Next, create the design automatically, schedule posts for the week, and track performance automatically. Now content runs without daily stress. The trigger is the action that starts your automation. For example, when a new subscriber joins, a welcome email sends automatically. Or when a form is filled, a new lead is added to your email list. That's the power of automation. How to make money using AI automation. Method 1, content creation business. Automate posting to grow your audience and monetize. Method 2, affiliate marketing. The key here is automations, landing pages, and follow-ups. This turns your business into a passive income machine. Focus on scaling while systems run in the background. Our third service is automation services. Businesses pay for chatbot setup, email automation, and marketing workflows. This streamlines your operations. Let automation handle the heavy lifting. Let's dive into an AI automation strategy for beginners. First, automate your social media posting. Next, use AI to generate captions. Finally, plan your content with this is your creator roadmap. First, let's cover the intermediate steps: email funnels, lead generation, and analytics tracking. Now, for the advanced strategies, sales funnels, customer journeys, and multi will elevate your business. Common mistakes to avoid when automating your business. Don't automate everything at once, use too many tools, ignore analytics, skip testing, or forget human support to view. It doesn't replace authenticity. Here's my daily AI automation routine. 1. Generate ideas with AI. 2. Batch create content. 3. Schedule posts. 4. Track analytics weekly. 5. Optimize what works. AI automation is not about replacing effort. It's about multiplying your results with smarter systems. The earlier you learn automation, the faster you grow online. If you learned something valuable today, start with just one automation this week. Consistency plus automation equals growth. Subscribe for more tutorials on digital skills, online income, and smart content strategies. Your future success is built by the systems you create today.